In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on conversation intelligence in HubSpot. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your favorite search engine. Type HubSpot, then open the official HubSpot website. If you aren't already signed in, log into your account. Make sure you're in the correct HubSpot portal for your team, and confirm you have the right permissions to adjust calling settings. If you don't see the options I'm about to show, you may need an admin to grant access, or your subscription may need conversation intelligence enabled. Check your plan details if that happens. Once you're in, look for the gear icon at the top of the screen. That's your settings area, and it's where all the key administrative options live. Click it to open the full settings panel. On the left-hand sidebar, find and select Calling. This is where you manage how calling works across your HubSpot portal, including numbers, recording options, and analytics. If the menu is collapsed, expand it so you can view all the subsections. Inside Calling, choose Call Setup. This area consolidates the foundational calling preferences and is the quickest path to the configuration we need. You'll see several options related to how calls are handled and recorded for your users. Next, go to Call Configurations. This section controls deeper settings that affect the call experience. Take a moment to review what's here so you know where to return if you ever need to fine-tune things like recording behavior or availability. Within Call Configurations, look for the Transcription and Analysis section. This is HubSpot's conversation intelligence feature. When it's on, HubSpot will automatically transcribe supported calls and analyze them for insights, such as key terms, talk time, and moments you can coach your team on. It's a powerful way to make calls searchable, build better follow-up notes, and improve training. When you locate transcription and analysis, toggle the switch to turn it on. If you see any prompts about language, region, or consent, review them carefully. Depending on your country or industry, you may need to inform participants that calls are being recorded and transcribed. It's always a good practice to add a brief consent statement to your call openers and to align with your legal or compliance team. That's it. Conversation intelligence is now enabled. Going forward, eligible calls will be transcribed and analyzed automatically. For best results, make sure your team places calls through HubSpot or a connected provider that supports recording. If you don't see transcripts after a call, double-check user permissions, calling connections, and your subscription level. With this setup, you'll have searchable call records, clearer action items, and stronger coaching insights across your sales and service teams.